many young one play. One finish and Kriya.
So, I'm from a notion, your person to Anape. Yeah, not just in here. Wazinga. Wanasini, Wazinga, the prince of Katanga. Sinia, Nuya Bruta, Wazinga. Gaza na weko pe manu watani fio.
Wana tsiaba batu. Pamadin kanju maja. Ayensa ama umbano. What's the
Wazinga better than the way Kay ran a bush of crossfire. Wazinga, but what happened to our production? Accra, in a Kumasi, the spice of Accra, in a Kumasi, on your cantaman, Obolo, in a big authority, Wazinga, the prince of Katanga.
Hello, madam.
Thanks, sir. Major David Johnson, a military officer. Hello, madam. Enjoy your flight, please.
No. Excuse me.
Major Johnson, I'm pleased to meet you. Can I see you for a minute?
No.
Madam, why are you keeping us here for this long?
Please, exercise some patience. Okay, it won't be long.
Officer, I thought this was going to take a short time, but it looks like it is taking forever.
Yeah.
We are going to miss our flight.
Yes. Just be a little bit patient. We are just clarifying issues.
What is this?
I should be asking you this. This substance was found in your luggage.
My luggage.
And when it was tested, it was found to be cocaine.
What are you talking about? What, are we joking here or something?
Oh my God.
What is going on here?
No.
I am a major in the army and you don't expect this from me, do you?
You are under arrest.
No.
For what?
You have the right to remain silent. No. Anything you do or say here will be used against you in the law court.
No.
Take him away.
No.
Hello? Hello, it's Princess.
Oh yeah, Princess. How are you?
Dane was arrested this afternoon at the airport when we're traveling together.
Arrested? For what?
They found cocaine in his luggage when we're traveling together at the airport.
What? How the hell did cocaine get into Dave's luggage?
I don't know. Please, help my husband. He's innocent. I'm really sure, but please do something about this. Please.
There's nothing I can do. We are talking about drug issue here. And if I go anywhere near it, I am playing with the court martial. I'm sorry, Princess. I cannot help you.
Cornell. Oh.
This condition is getting worse by the day. And if this operation is not taken within 3 days, I'm sorry, we are going to lose him too.
No, doctor. Please. Doctor, you know we can't afford that money. It's just that I don't have access to my daddy's account. You know my mother died due to the same accident. I don't want my daddy to die, doctor. Please.
I understand, but please try and look for the money. And it has to be very fast. Please.
Oh, what's wrong with you? Are you mad? Do you want to die? What's your problem? Do you have to take one or something?
I'm sorry. Why are you crying? I didn't mean to shout on you. Please. What's wrong? What?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Come. Okay, doctor, this is a check for 2,000 Ghana cedis that you requested, and I hope work will commence immediately.
That's alright. We're going to try our best.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. You've really given us back our father.
Look, it's no big deal. Look, as long as you are happy and you're fine, that's all I'm after. And the well-being of your father as well, okay?
Thank you.
It's okay.
Your joy is my joy, and your pain is my pain. I love you with all my life, and I'm prepared to lay it down for you anytime, any day. I love you with everything I have.
I love you so much. I don't even know what to do.
Really?
Princess, I want to tell you something tonight. Ever since we met, you've always been good to me. You have shown me so much love. The more I know you, the more I love you. And I know you will do anything to hurt me. And I won't do anything to hurt you either. I'm going to express my love once again. Tell you that I love you. I love you so much. Nothing come between us. Okay. And I love you too. And I'll always protect you. Please. Daddy! Please! Forgive me! This way, sir. This way. Yeah, Major Johnson, meet Barrister Chris representing your wife.
Major Johnson, your wife has a confession to make. Go on, madam.
Honey, I got greedy and thought as a military officer traveling abroad, our luggage would be treated as diplomatic and would not be searched.
What are you trying to do, Princess?
Honey, please allow me to talk.
No, what are you doing?
Honey, please allow me to talk. What I'm about to say is not easy. Please. Honey, I put the cocaine in your luggage.
You did what?
Yes, I did.
Princess,
I did.
no.
Sir, will you please comport yourself? Let the woman talk.
I never knew it was going to take this way. Honey, I can't let you lose your promotion because of my greed.
Don't do this.
No, I can't. My conscience would not allow me. God.
Princess, please don't do it.
Well. Now that this is official, Mrs. Johnson, I'm afraid we'll have to take you in. Take her away.
Yes.
Honey. Mrs. Johnson. Honey. I can't let you suffer the crime you didn't commit. No. Babe. I love you so much. I do. Oh, God. Please. Oh.
Hi, baby.
Honey. Yeah. How was work?
It was good.
Great.
Who's this? Isn't this Jasmine?
Yes.
Wow.
She's really grown to be a real beauty, huh?
Yes, beautiful.
She sent it with a letter. She and father lamenting in their letters. Honey, I want to see us back home, especially Junior.
Yeah. I understand. They really have to miss us because we've been away for a while.
But at least the birth of Junior has brought a certain sunshine back into our lives since then.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, his presence lights up the house. He's brought us happiness and all that. Yeah. But look, I must confess that your sister has grown very, very beautiful. I mean, with a striking resemblance to you.
Yeah. Look, what remains to complete a fairy tale is to get a man as loving as you. Someone with your kind of heart.
She deserves it. She's a beautiful girl, so she deserves it.
Of course. Not any viper running after her.
Like I ran around you. Oh, babe. Don't worry, we'll watch her back until the right man comes.
Okay.
Why don't we send them a message that we'll be coming home soon? And then when we get back, we'll see them.
Oh my God. Are we?
We're going.
Honey, thanks so much. Jasmine, Daddy. Oh, here we go. Oh, honey, I love you. Okay. I love you.
Love you too, babe. I love you.
So happy. So happy.
Jasmine, what's up?
Douglas, whatever you have to say it quick because I'm really late for a class right now.
Come on, Jasmine. I've been waiting for my favorite answer for the past 2 months.
Well, even if you wait for a year, the answer will still be no. I'm not interested, okay? How many times should I tell you that you and I don't belong in the same world? We don't belong together.
What are you implying?
If you want me to spell it out for you, I will. First of all, you're a cultist. And second of all, we don't belong in the same class. And third of all, I want you to stop pestering me because we can never be together. Excuse me.
Do you really get the answer you were waiting for?
Jasmine Boateng is gradually becoming an annoying little ant.
Should we step on her?
No. What Douglas wants, Douglas takes. You understand?
Yeah.
Jasmine Boateng will surely grace my bed.
I mean, you sound very confident, but the question is, what sugar would you use to get this done in bed?
Even ants have their baits. She's just been a little ugly, you know what I mean? Relax. It's just a process. You know how it works.
Hello?
Oh. Sorry. How can I help you?
Your door. It's in my way.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. Hey! Why would you knock my bonnet like that? For what reason?
That Vanessa is not in town does not mean you should frolic with anything in scat.
So what does that make you? A watchdog?
Be warned.
Okay. Oh well, I know already. I know. Now don't let me squish you there. Better get your pathetic life out of my face before I hit you all the way to the mortuary. Why are you following me? Go the other way.
So what's her name?
I don't know. I don't know. I didn't get the chance to ask her.
So why the hell is she getting so much attention from you?
Fred, you don't understand. I mean, she's like something out of a magazine, like a catalog. And that day when she smiled, my heart literally stopped beating. Amazing. I guess I was speechless. That's why I didn't ask her name.
Man, all these praises for a woman you don't even know her name. Vanessa Central.
Please. Fred, I'm talking about an angel. And you're talking about the devil? Please, Fred. On the first day I saw her, I knew she was an angel walking on earth. And I'm going after her.
You're going after her?
Yep.
Okay, I like your confidence. But may I remember that Vanessa, the lioness, is lurking behind you.
I've been warned, Fred. I've been warned. I know what I'm doing.
Okay, I guess so.
Hello, Daddy.
You're back, my angel.
Yes, Daddy, I'm back. How are you, Daddy?
Fine, thank you.
Daddy, you're marrying me, aren't you? I know that look when I see it. What's on your mind, Daddy?
You know, you always remind me of your mother. She also had a way of reading me. Anyway, I was thinking of the days we spent in this house. I mean, you, Princess, and I.
Daddy, please don't remind me of her. I don't understand why I should spare my thoughts thinking about somebody that doesn't even care about us.
Don't say that. She never let you miss your mother. She gave up her youthful years for you. Because whilst her friends were playing outside, she was busy taking care of you.
I'm sorry, Daddy. But seriously, how can someone that has so much love for us abandon us for 6 years? I don't understand.
Look, you can't blame her completely. You know the husband is a soldier and they move from place to place.
But regardless, Daddy, at least you should pay us a visit once in a while.
Well, they sent a message they'll be visiting next week.
Daddy, you're pulling my legs, aren't you?
No. I got a message this morning when you left for school.
Are you serious? Oh my God, Daddy, I'm so happy. You know what we should do? We should buy provisions, foodstuffs, clean up the house, change the...
Listen to me. All that can wait for now. What we need now is food. So go prepare our food. We'll talk about things later.
Okay. Oh, Daddy, I'm so excited. I'll be right back. Daddy, my sister is actually coming.
You might get you onto the Oboro side. I just can't contain the feeling of having the whole family eating with me.
Daddy, you know what excites me most? It's Junior. Look at my pretty nephew. My goodness. You know he looks so much like his mom.
Yes, yes. Whoa. Wait a minute. That's a big lie. I mean, how can you say he looks like a princess? Take a good look at him. And you see me visibly written all over his face.
Hold on a second. Look, if you should take this boy on the streets of Accra and say he is mine, I bet you they will lynch you.
Why?
Because he looks like me.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
Well, they look like both of you.
Anyway,
Daddy.
how's school life treating you? Good. Nana tells me you're reading pharmacy.
The first health personnel in the family.
Yes, I am. Junior, are you enjoying it all, okay?
Junior. There you are.
Junior. Do you have any idea how many times I asked myself if I've offended you in any way? Because I don't understand why a sister I love so much, the person that gave me so much love, abandoned me for this long.
There's no single day that passed that I didn't think of you and Father. How you faring? How Father is being left all by himself alone? And how his business is doing.
So for 6 years, sister, you kept that silence. They say silence is golden, but this silence is pure torture.
You won't understand.
No, I won't understand, and I don't want to understand. I won't understand why the person that I love so much, the person that gave me my first love, abandoned me for this long. For God's sake, sister, you are my strength.
I've never stopped loving you. Whatever I did in the past 6 years, I was compelled to do. I'm sorry.
Who or what compelled you to do what you had to do? I don't understand, sister. Please tell me.
4 out of 6 years have gone. I was in prison. Yes.
What?
Yes.
Prison?
Yes.
But what could be heartless to send you to prison? I don't understand.
Sister, I did it for love.
For love?
Yeah. Dave was to attend a promotional course in America together with me. At the airport, they found cocaine in his luggage.
What?
Yes.
Uncle Dave? Cocaine?
Don't jump onto conclusion. He was innocent. I'm sure of it. Someone had planned to destroy his career and to send him to jail. And I couldn't sit and see that happen to a man I love so much. So I said, I put it there.
Oh no.
Yes. So I was sentenced to 4 years imprisonment.
And Uncle Dave didn't even tell us about it.
It was my decision that he shouldn't let you people know. But that is not my biggest worry.
What is this, sister? Is there more?
Yeah. Jasmine. What I'm about to say, it's not easy. But it's the reality. I need you to be strong for yourself and for Daddy.
Sister, what is it?
Oh my God.
What is it?
I'm dying. I have cancer of the lungs. No. My term in prison aggravated it. I'm sorry.
No.
You need to promise me. Promise me that you keep this to yourself, because if Father should hear of it, he will not survive it. Please.
I promise.
Please.
So how much time do you have left?
16 months.
Oh my God.
Tears fill up my eyes, cascade into the ground.
Uncle, look at me. Sister said I can't wear this outfit out. Please tell me it's not true.
It is not true, baby. I like it. In fact, you look smashing and ravishing in it.
Oh, thank you, Uncle. Mwah, thank you.
You know what? Forget about your sister. She's jealous because she knows you're fine.
Thank you, Uncle. Anyways, I'm on my way out, so I'll see you later.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
See you then.
Why are you staring at Jasmine like that?
You know what? When she came to bid me goodbye, I just said to myself, she's growing every day to have a striking resemblance of you. I hope she has your kind of heart too.
Don't worry. You know she was well brought up. So I don't expect anything less.
Yeah, I know. Nice family. Nice family.
Thanks. Let me just have a sip. Thank you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Stop. What are you trying to do?
I'm just trying to help.
Let me do it.
I'm just trying to help.
Stop. You know, it's really not your fault. I bumped into you, alright? The only thing is I don't even know how I'm going to be walking around town with this stain in my dress.
I'm just trying to help.
Stop.
Otherwise, my house is just around the corner, across the street. We can go there and then you can clean it up properly.
Your house?
Yeah.
That's definitely not possible.
No, I'm not going to bite you. I'm just trying to help. I mean, it's real sad to see an angel like you walking around town with a stained dress. Come on, the offer is still open. Give me the chance.
Are you sure it won't be a problem?
An angel at my apartment? Definitely not.
Let's go then.
Ah! There you go. Angel's beauty is back. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Sparkling clean.
Yeah.
Can I offer you something to drink? Like anything? Coke?
No.
Pineapple juice?
No.
Okay. How about this?
Are you crazy? That's tomato ketchup for Christ's sake.
But you turned down all my offers, so I thought probably if I changed the brand, you would just reconsider your stand. I'll have a Coke.
Thank you.
Well, I'm gonna have a Coke. There you go. Well, I want to thank you for helping me not feel guilty.
Guilty? You don't have to feel guilty. I bumped into you. It was just an accident.
Accident? I don't think every accident is that simple. I think accidents are orchestrated by a powerful force. Gods?
Destiny. Are you trying to tell me that, say for instance, tomorrow if you get run over by a car, you call that destiny?
Sure.
No, I wouldn't call that destiny. I'll call it mere carelessness on your part, not a ridiculous master plan.
Okay. Are you saying that we coming in this house together today is not destiny?
No, it's not destiny. We bumped into each other. We ended up here. Pure and simple. Just an accident.
Okay.
Anyways, I want to thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
I have to be leaving now.
Already? You're welcome. You sure you don't want to change your mind about the drink?
No.
Sure? Just one drink? Come on.
Oh my goodness! Oh. I'm so I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry. Oh. I really, you know, I was actually coming back from my glasses.
Oh.
I am so sorry. Did I hurt you?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Your shade's there. It's okay. It's okay. I'll be fine.
You still bother to see me off after breaking your nose?
There's only a gentleman who will see a lady off, even in the midst of pain.
I'm sorry. Let me see.
Am I bleeding?
No, it stopped.
Okay. It hurts, you know.
I'm so sorry.
Which way are you heading?
I'm actually going home.
Can I drop you off?
You will?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at Leo and that girl.
In the pharmaceutical department.
I can't believe Leo will ever cheat on Vanessa after everything she's done for him. Man.
She thinks she's too beautiful and that every man on campus can eat from her palm.
Oh, really? Well, she's just chosen the very wrong girl, because if Vanessa hears of this, she's going to bring down the host of hell upon her.
No. That daughter of yours is funny. Only princess can come up with something crazy as that.
But listen, she taught Jasmine everything about cooking. And I don't expect the student to beat the teacher. No way.
You can't tell. Nana, you can never tell. I mean, with Jasmine around, anything can happen.
Okay. The moment we've been waiting for is now here. Okay, now, Daddy, Dave.
Yeah.
I want both of you to be fair here. No biased judgment. Please. Please. Try mine first.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Nana, I can already smell the aroma. And I can state authoritatively which of the two is more delicious.
Come on, Dave. Come on.
Darling, are you ready to take the verdict in good faith?
Yes.
So we'll do the taste.
Okay. Dave, Daddy, the verdict.
Nana? Anyway, I'll go straight to the point. Darling, I'm sorry. I think Jasmine's food is better too.
I knew you were going to say that. Thank you.
I've been fair, Nana. I've been fair.
Okay. Thank
That
you,
is very
Uncle.
fair.
Thank you.
That's your dad for you.
Thank you, thank you.
Jasmine, what do you think you're doing? Do you realize your sister is here?
Don't worry. She's asleep.
Are you sure?
Besides, she won't hear anything.
Jasmine.
I want you.
You do?
I really do want you. I want you for a very long time. Tell me you don't want this.
I want it. Jasmine. Jasmine. Jasmine.
Dave. 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 Why are you screaming in your sleep? And why were you mentioning Jasmine's name?
I had a terrible nightmare.
Involving her?
Involving both of you.
And what is the nightmare about?
I'll tell you later. Shall we?
Yeah, Kelly. There's this guy that him and I have been bumping into each other for quite some time now. Or should I say has been bumping into me like quite some time now. The first time that he saw me, he was like staring so hard, like a zombie, you know? He was like, it was like he was completely lost or something.
So it's very, very normal for people to stare at you. It's nothing strange. So why is this guy's like news?
Well, we bumped into each other like on like 2 or 3 other occasions, and that's really, really weird.
No, you know, no, Ted, look at me. Let me see you walk. When you talk about this guy, I don't know, but there's this pain in your voice. Are you falling for him?
Of course not. But Kelly, this guy is really, really cute. He's very cute and very intelligent with a very good sense of humor.
My friend has been bitten by the guy. What's his name?
Okay. You're probably gonna laugh when I tell you this, but please don't laugh. I don't even know his name. You said you wouldn't laugh.
You're laughing. You're in love with a guy you don't know his name. And you're like daydreaming about him already?
Someone I hardly know. It's strange. But you see, the funny thing is, he hasn't even asked me for anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
I haven't said anything. No, like it's fine. You understand? Time. You know how the adage goes, don't you? It's an agent of finish a girl. Revolution. Thank you. I can't believe you don't know.
Kelly, I'm serious.
I was so serious here.
Oh, why do birds suddenly appear anytime you hear? Just like me, they want to be with you.
The stars and the moon, they dance for you. Anytime you're here, just like me, they want
You.
You, again.
There seems to be a force that keeps bringing us together. Don't you think so?
Really?
Yeah, really. We didn't get to introduce ourselves the last time. My name is Leo.
My name is Jasmine, but everybody calls me Jassy though.
Wow, nice to meet you. That's a beautiful name.
Thank you.
I knew there was something special about you the first time I met you.
Oh, come on, don't start.
No, seriously. How can we keep bumping into ourselves? Remember I told you the last time? Destiny?
Maybe.
You seem to be shopping all the time. Are you feeding the church or something?
No, just my little family.
Wow.
Yeah.
They must have a huge appetite.
And you, what do you do?
Besides bumping into pretty girls like you. I love your smile.
Thank you, but you still haven't answered my question. What do you do?
Armed robbery, extortion, all the negative vices you can think about, and bumping into pretty girls like you.
Can you at least get serious?
You want me to?
Yeah.
Okay. Fair enough. Will you have lunch with me tomorrow?
You mean like tomorrow?
Yeah, like tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah? Cool. Yeah. So it's a date? Okay.
Alright. Enjoy your coffee.
Yeah, thanks. You too.
Thank you. You know, it feels so good to be back home.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, Vanessa. I hate to be the one to spoil your homecoming party, but your Romeo has developed hot pants for a girl called Jasmine in the pharmaceutical department.
Are you serious? Leo cheating on me? He wouldn't dare.
Well, he's already doing it.
You know what, girls? If I catch that girl anywhere near my man, she'll be sorry for herself.
That's the spirit I want to see. Get in, girls. Let's go party.
Alright.
We got a lot to do, yo.
I fell in love with you the very first day that I met you at the administrative block. Yes, I did. The first time I laid my eyes on you, you took my breath away. Yes, you did. And I've not been able to forget you since.
Great speech. So tell me, how many girls have been stupid enough to believe this in the last 1 month?
Jasmine, if only you could hear my heart speak, you would know there is no lie. I love you.
Leo, I cannot see your heart, let alone know what it says.
I know. That's the whole point. You could feel it. You could if you want to. Jasmine, look into my eyes. Deep into my eyes. And you'll see what I'm talking about. They say the eye is the window to the heart and soul. Whatever the heart feels, the eyes radiate. And if you can solve the mysteries of the eyes, you will know what the heart feels and says.
Gosh, you're so damn persuasive.
Jasmine, I'm only asking for a chance to prove what I feel for you. That's it. That's all.
Okay. Can you at least give me some time to think about this, okay?
Sure. But you took my breath away the first time I met you. And I don't know how long I can go without my breath. So please give me an answer quickly. And a favorable one.
Oh, it's you.
What are you doing?
Honey, since I wasn't doing anything, I decided to prepare supper. And you know we have all these ingredients here, including fresh, your favorite.
I would rather you wait for Jasmine to come and do the cooking. You will end up messing everything. You know I'm speaking the truth. The other day she beat you to it.
What are you implying?
Nothing. All I'm saying is just take a rest and allow Jasmine to do the cooking because she's better.
Honey, hold on a second. What do you mean? Honey? Honey, what are you saying? For God's sake, we've been married for over 10 years. And I've always done the cooking. Now you open your mouth and compare my cooking to my kids' sis?
Listen, I have every right as a man to voice out my opinion and expect my wife to take a cue and correct it and not start backing in frustration.
Tears fill up my eyes, cascade into the ground. The pain within, in my heart, a love once had betrayed. Cause my heart to cry, so I ask the question why. The heart of man.
Vanessa and her girls. I don't suppose this is a friendly approach.
I am not in the mood of your sarcasm today. What is the meaning of the charade you and that tramp called Jasmine have been exhibiting around town? I leave town for a few weeks and you run loose around with ladies?
I can see you've been well informed. Very well informed. But let me spare you the suspense. Jasmine Boateng is everything you are not. Everything.
Leo, after everything I have done for you, everything, the money, cars, your house, the good life, you dare hurt me? You selfish bastard.
Selfish. You call me selfish? You call me selfish? After you truncate around the world with your members of parliaments, your ministers and general directors, you call me selfish. And you expect that little Leo will just swallow it all down, right? You piece of slut.
Look, I will not allow you and that tramp to ridicule me in this town. So, I am warning you both to brace up for war.
I'm scared. I feel very threatened right now. I have a meeting to attend to. Out of the way.
Are you just gonna let him go? Don't worry. I will make sure that Jasmine's flesh is torn into pieces, that even the vultures won't find any of it. Better do.
Daddy, even marriage has not changed the feeling I have about this house. You know, it's like I've never left here.
I know. I know.
And Daddy, you mean you do all this alone by yourself?
Yes, to keep me fit.
Oh, Daddy.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Yeah. Sir, I'm sure you know why we are here.
Yes, but I'm making
I beg your pardon, sir. Our organization doesn't like clients that make efforts. In short, we are very much interested in people who pay. So if by next weekend the money is not paid with interest, as agreed, we will auction this house. This is the notice to that effect. Good day.
Daddy, is everything okay?
Yes. You see, whilst you were away all that while, I took some money from the bank for investment. But later I was defrauded. And since I must pay with interest, they keep on coming and I can't do anything. I keep on postponing the date of payment. But don't worry, I'll take care. I'll take care of it.
How much is involved?
Well, with interest, it will be around $48,000. But like I said, don't you worry, I'll take care of it. And please, not a word to your husband. Please.
Okay. Daddy, I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Sorry.
What did he say he was going to call you?
He said he was going to call like anytime soon.
You know, like, it's kind of funny. I'm thinking, what are you guys going to talk about? I mean, it's weird.
Oh, he's calling. He's calling. Hello? Hi. Okay. Where? Okay. Alright. Bye.
That's Romeo, I guess. Meeting him?
Yeah, he wants to meet me at Pop's at 4 o'clock.
What do you want?
I don't know. See, I was thinking. You know, maybe I should make him sweat for a bit, you know, just to see how serious he is about me.
Yeah, like, you know, right now, you don't go to meet him, make him go stay there, wait and wait and wait.
Yeah, like that.
I think it's a good idea.
You think it's a good idea?
Yeah, girl. You should do it. Yeah, you should go to that place.
goodness. Kelly, can you imagine?
It's actually amazing. The guy is sitting here like forever.
It's getting really, really late. People are actually leaving the place. He's still sitting there waiting for me.
I'm so shocked here, but you don't actually think he likes you? Because honestly, who is going to come and sit here the whole time? Look at where
you know what?
What are you going to do?
Let's just wait and see how much patience this guy has.
Again? Come on, don't stretch it. What is that?
I'll rise into your dream. You were just a song I'll always sing. You're the sun, come shining in.
Hold my love, hold my heart, hold me, please hold my hand. For the world is cold, the ways of man unknown, but for you I'll live and die. Oh. Shuku shuku hey, save me. Shuku shuku hey, take me to the mountain top, to the clouds above, to your heart, fulfill my dream. Shuku shuku hey.
Hello? Yeah, Jasmine, where have you been? I've been waiting for you for the past 4 hours. I'm even very tired now. What? Ice cream? Okay. Where? Alright. I'll bring it. Okay, bye.
Oh, nothing in this world that can stop me from loving you.
Shuku shuku hey, save me. Shuku shuku hey, take me to the mountain top, to the clouds above, to your heart, fulfill my dream. Shuku shuku hey, love me. Shuku shuku hey, feel me with untainted love. Fill me with your joy, with your love, fulfill my dream.
I'm scared like, God, stupid man.
Really, really funny, really fun. But I really do like it. It's very, very nice, yeah. So, oh, Leo, you know, I'm totally sorry I couldn't make it. I'm really, really sorry. But did you get the ice cream? Ah, thank you. Thank you. Yes, I was saying like your hair I really like it. It's very nice. Maybe like when I take off these braids, I'll have something like that.
Yeah, like when you're ready, we could just go to the person who fixed it. Yeah. Or like they could probably come to the house, you know.
So what's this shirt you're wearing? Why is it Niger for life? It's supposed to be Ghana for life now.
Yeah, we're wearing that tomorrow. I have that for all the African countries.
You know, thank you.
You girls are bad. We bad.
My goodness. So I'll see you in class tomorrow.